In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid the dreaded infinity mirror effect on Google Meet. If you've ever shared your screen during a Google Meet and found yourself trapped in a seemingly endless loop of windows within windows, you're not alone. This happens when you accidentally share the Google Meet window itself, resulting in a cascading mirror effect that's as distracting as it is frustrating. Thankfully, there are simple steps you can take to ensure this doesn't happen, allowing for a smooth and professional presentation. So let's dive in. First things first, when you're already inside a meeting and you want to share your screen, the key is to avoid sharing the meeting window itself. Instead, choose a different window or tab to share. This might seem straightforward, but in the hustle of a meeting, it's easy to make that mistake. By selecting a separate window or tab, you sidestep the infinite mirror entirely, and your peers see only what you intend them to see. Now, if there's a situation where you really need to share your entire screen, one of the best approaches is to use multiple monitors. This way you can keep the Google Meet window on one screen while you share the contents of another. This keeps everything clean and organized, and more importantly, it avoids the mirror effect altogether. Having this setup may require a bit of an initial investment if you don't already have multiple monitors, but it's incredibly useful not only for presentations but for multitasking in general. In case you need to share something from your browser, such as a specific web page or document, make sure the Google Meet meeting room is open in a separate window. This simple tweak involves just dragging the tab into its own window. By doing so, when you share your browser window, the Google Meet itself isn't visible, preventing that infinite mirror from appearing. Continuing with the idea of resource separation in your browser, always ensure you're sharing any tab other than the one where the meeting room resides. Google Meet, like many applications, focuses on the currently active tab or window when sharing, so putting it aside in its own space is crucial. Finally, a quick tip to maintain clarity in what you're sharing with others: why not open another tab in your browser or switch to a different application altogether? By spreading out your resources, you can keep your meeting window isolated, ensuring that when you screen share, the main focus remains entirely on what you wish to present, without the added distraction of the infinity effect. There you have it, a concise guide to keep your Google Meet presentations crisp and clear, avoiding that pesky infinity mirror trick. Implement these techniques and you'll find that your virtual presentations and meetings become smoother and more professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.